Now I just know it. It's in my mind. There's something called as the GM diet. So basically in school we were told, oh, you should do the GM diet, it really helps you lose weight. And like a fool, I have done it, only to discover later that the GM diet was designed for the workers working at the General Motors. so that diet is not for us, guys. Anybody who's following the GM diet, please do not do it, because every time I tried pulling off the GM diet, I always fell sick on the 4th day. I got viral, I fell sick, I fell weak, because first day you're only supposed to eat some watermelons, second day is only bananas, third day is only milk and bananas. No, it's not right. That is something a big no. You should never do it. No matter who you follow, no matter what you read, no matter what you do, eventually what matters is what you act upon. So I could be following all the fitness pages on Instagram that only further tempts me to have that kind of good food. So those pages are good for your mind, but your mind is something which does not need to see that much food. Your mind does not need to see food. Your body needs to be fed with the right amount of nutrition. Yeah, so just control your mind. It's all in your head. There's nothing else to it. Everything is in the mind. It's amazing how powerful our mind is the minute we realize, how much we can do and achieve with it. I would rather eat everything and work my ass off in the gym, because I don't want to have bad health. For me, health is priority, and it's all about fitness for me. I might not be the most perfect bod cosmetically, but what matters is how fit and my endurance levels, and how well I can pull off my acts together, and how well I can survive my day, and how active I am. That's all that matters to me. So guys, one last tip before signing off is that you need to have 7 hours of sleep, because no matter how much you diet or how much ever you work out, your body needs rest, your mind needs rest, which will only be achieved through sleep, and sleeping at the right time. Your timings are also very important. On that note, I'll bid you bye-bye, and I hope they help you in achieving the result.
Like Indian Mughlai food, because my dad ran this small little kebab restaurant in Delhi way back, and all those marinations are still in his blood. So I get to eat some fantastic kebabs at home. One dish for the rest of my life, which would that be? Oh my god. It would be egg and vegetable fried rice. Yeah, because I can eat that breakfast, lunch and dinner, and I do many times. So it's a thing. A lifestyle change I made for my skin and hair. Honestly, I've grown up loving ghar ka khana, so the diet has been very balanced. I'd like to believe so, but with like product and stuff going every day into my hair and skin now, the one major thing I've done is like tried to drink a lot of water. My manager is looking at me, giving me a death stare right now because she doesn't agree, but I'm trying. And I'm trying to cut out like eating copious amounts of chocolate in a day, because just that, these two things. My binge eating dish, that would, so many things, but so butter chicken, number one. Dim sums are my binge. I can eat very many dim sums in one go, and chola kulcha would be the other. Chola kulcha, not bhatura. Yeah, I love my food spicy, but I also have a sweet tooth. So my favorite dessert would be anything which has chocolate, coffee and nuts in equal proportion in whatever form. So it can be like a really yummy ice cream cake or a tiramisu, or both of those things together, anything, If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Pink Villa.
Rolling camera, guys.
Rolling.
Audio is rolling and action.
Hi.
Just introduce yourself first. Today I'm going to talk about what I eat.
बहुत ही अच्छी शेप ले रहा है, and that's what Pilates does to me.
So I tried to do it in the morning before shoot, but I feel very, very lazy. Some people enjoy it. कहते हैं कि they get that energy and then they're ready to shoot and all that. But I feel I get very drained after a Pilates class and I really want to just relax. So for some odd reason, I enjoy it around 6:30 in the evening. ये सब मैं नहीं follow करती कि protein shake पी लिया and all that. Sorry, I'm not that kind of a person. I eat whatever I want to, clearly. And if I really want to cheat, I eat. ऐसा नहीं, no रोक टोक. Don't ask me this question. Somebody who's going to go and have pizza at 11 o'clock is ready to cheat any time of the day, any time of the day. So clearly I'm the wrong person to ask this. Listen, so the other day mom had made chole bhature. See, it's a no-no, like bhature at night, like tail se aise garma garam phulte hue nikle and then you're having that. It is a sin. Who cares? Who cares? I try to, like, so the days I'm off, I run for a Pilates class. My teacher, Ruchi, I just message her, मैं आऊँ क्या class? And she'll say, come. Because I've started to enjoy this form of exercise. Had it been a simple workout at a gym, yuck. I mean, I'm the last person to do that. I love dancing. So it's either Zumba or it is Pilates. But it's more, these days, it's Pilates because I think I enjoy that. Listen, I tried this GM diet, but I was very young. Maybe I was doing Kabul Hai then. Not that I'm old now. बट शायद मैं कबूले के दिनों में GM किया था जब एक दिन सिर्फ फल खाते हैं दूसरे दिन सिर्फ सब्जियां खाते हैं ऐसे कौन करता है आई एम सॉरी बट पीपल हु फॉलो हैट्स ऑफ बट आई थॉट इट वाज रियली क्रेजी आई देन फिगर्ड दैट आई थिंक यू नो जस्ट ईट what makes you happy, which everybody will, a lot of people swear by, and somehow I think even I am very happy when I am kind of eating food that makes me happy. Listen, lots of people told me it's vodka tonic or vodka with water lime or something. I'm not a vodka person. They say if it's an aged wine, purani wine hoti hai pusalo wali, that is one glass of it is very good for heart, but it has to be aged. Like it's an aged wine basically. But those are expensive wines. So I think I would really enjoy with my meal. I enjoy wine, but these days I enjoy gin tonics. So I think gin tonic is also fairly decent alcohol drink. I think I'm not sure यार वो ना नकली वाले नाचनी के चिप्स आते हैं सिर्फ हमें खुश करने के लिए कि वो नाचनी के चिप्स हैं पर उसमें जो मसाले होते हैं ना उसे क्लियरली पता चलता है हेल्दी नहीं होते बस सिर्फ अपने मन को खुश करने वाली बात है आई एम हैविंग नाचनी चिप्स इन द इवनिंग पोस्ट दैट आई कैन फील ऑल द मसालाज इन माई बॉडी